Some users emailed us with feedback. In the process of using wireless light switch, they don't know how to break it apart, what kind of battery to use, how to stick it on the wall, and how to use nails to nail it to the wall. Let's explain it below. The key point is that the quality is very good, and you don't have to worry about breaking it. Currently we have these 4 wireless light switches. They are all sold with smart on-off switches or smart switches. Now let's talk about the first kind of wireless light switch. How do we break this apart? We just grab a corner with our fingers and break it with force. After breaking it open we can see his circuit board. There is a battery compartment for CR2032 3V lithium button battery on the board. We put the battery in. This is how the battery is installed. Click the button, and the LED flashes. These 2 holes are where the flathead screws are screwed in. It can be shorter or longer. After screwing it in, you can nail it to the wall. Then close it. In this way, a switch is installed. If you don't use screws, you can use the included double-sided tape to stick it to this position. Then stick it to the wall. If you want to take out this battery, you can use a screwdriver and poke it in the back. You can poke it out. Next, we will introduce the second type of wireless light switch. We have made some improvements. It has a more obvious indicator light. There is a battery compartment on it. You can install it without opening the cover. Take out the battery compartment. Then place the positive pole according to the instructions and insert it. This completes the battery installation. Then, you can use the included double-sided tape to stick it to the wall. This way, you don't need to break the wireless light switch apart. You can use the wireless light switch comfortably. If you want to install it with nails, you still need to break the wireless light switch apart. Still choose one of the corners. Then break it hard. Don't worry about breaking it. You can also see the circuit board inside. After breaking it apart, then we insert the nails into the 2 holes, and then nail the nails to the wall. Finally, close the cover. This is the step of nailing the wall. If you need to remove the battery, you only pull out the battery compartment, then take the battery off, and then put it back in. Next, we introduce the third type of wireless light switch. It has an indicator light right in the center. Instead of a button battery, it uses 2 AAA batteries. The capacity of AAA batteries is larger than that of button batteries, so its standby time will be longer. To install the batteries, pop open the cover. Choose a corner, then pry it hard. It will open. There are 2 battery compartments. Install 2 AAA batteries. Press the button in the middle. Its indicator light will light up. If you want to use nails to install it on the wall, still on these 2 holes, put the nails in, then nail it to the wall. Or you can also use the stickers we provide. After sticking, just stick it to the wall. The fourth type of wireless light switch. It has been greatly upgraded. It is no longer a breakaway type, but a sliding type. Greatly convenient for our users. It is powered by 2 AAA batteries. You just need to install the batteries. Then plug it in like this. The installation is complete. It is very convenient. When you want to put it on the wall, use our large double-sided sticker that comes with it. There is a concave place here. Just stick it here. Then you can stick it on the wall. If you want to use nails, put the nails through the 2 holes of the bottom cover. Then nail the bottom cover to the wall. After nailing, then you do it like this. Plug it in. Then it is also very convenient when you replace the battery. Just slide it out. Take out the battery. This is our latest type of wireless light switch. This one also has US standard. Slide cover. These two are still battery compartments. Comes with 2 stickers. Press them on. This way you can stick it on the wall. If you need to use nails to put it on the wall, still put it on from here. Install it. Okay, just like this. Then slide it open. It is also very convenient to take it out. Okay, for now, this is how to use our 4 wireless light switches. Suitable for 2 types of batteries. Some are button batteries, some are AAA batteries. Each sticker comes with a double-sided sticker. Let you stick it to the wall easily. 2 ways to open this wireless light switch. One is to directly choose a corner and break it open. The other is a slide cover. Each wireless light switch also has reserved screw holes. Let you choose flat head screws. Easily install it on the wall.